What is good, y'all? I appreciate y'all for coming back to another video. But it is a night vlog and damn, it is windy. So I'm starting it in the car right now. But there is a night meet right now that I'm about to pull up to. I did not want to park my car in there because if cops pull up, God forbid they don't, I don't want my car stuck in there. So we're gonna go check this meet out real quick, see what's up. And yeah, if you guys all watched the last video, I appreciate all of y'all for showing love on it, for real. And let's get straight into this vlog real quick. All right, guys. So by the sounds of it, it looks like they're keeping it pretty quiet. I hear a couple of cars already pulling in. And you know I had to switch over to the mic. Damn, this whole floor is filled already. Damn, it smells like straight up corn up in here. Fuck. We got a E46, nice. Clean, clean. They even got vendors here, surprisingly, bro. This is a whole ass public parking lot. Keep in mind, guys. Beautiful R8. V8s, okay. And they got the boy Manny over here. And this Chick-fil-A M3. Let's finish the chill. All right, big dog. What's up with you?
How you been?
Chilling. Damn, bro, that shit looks clean. That's just beautiful, bro.
Yeah, progress.
Work in progress, bro. What do you mean work in progress? A lot more coming? Yeah. Big single turbo, possibly?
Single turbo will be the last thing. I still got warranty on it.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That should be by end of the year.
Sheesh,
Bro. Race specs, swan neck, chassis mount.
Oh shit! So it's gonna be completely different from this.
Yeah,
No more stance look.
Getting away from the street scene and
Yeah,
just go full race.
That's right. Still clean, bro. Thing is dummy nice. Got the white carbon interior. Shit. Yeah, this dude Manny owns a Chick-fil-A. FYI. That's why he has the Chick-fil-A brand on there. And the RK titanium single exit. All right. Yeah, this shit is nice, bro. Bro, tell me he doesn't own a Chick-fil-A without telling me you own a Chick-fil-A. Look at his wheels. He has the Chick-fil-A engraved on there. That is too gangsta, bro. And then he has 3,200 stars. What? With the Chick-fil-A logos on top of his carbon roof? Nah, bro. This is a beautiful ass M3 build. Probably like clean as too nice. And then obviously you guys see a lot of other builds. F80, beautiful NSX with a Corvette, M5, Honda EG. A lot of nice builds over here. Nice little Subaru, backlight. That wrap is sick though, that purple, green and all that. They're keeping it quiet, that's the good thing. Got a Miata, nice. The lights. This is clean, Sylvia. This orange is clean. The Nardo gray is also nice. Yeah, these things are clean, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. This is too clean, bro. These little Datsuns. Got the E46, Audi R8s, V8s. This Eclipse over here is nice too. Got a dope ass livery. And the Meisters. All right. I like it, sir. Yeah, this one's dummy clean. I love how he painted the carbon hood as well. Yeah, that's too tough. It's a M1, my fault. Yeah, this thing is nice. I believe this Laguna Seca blue. Could be wrong, but damn, that's nice. All right, it's still a little early. I'm pretty sure it's gonna pick up a little later on. 340, clean. There's Audi though. This thing gives me like big body vibes. Shit is nice. They got the Tokyo music playing in the background. Instead of wrapping my car, this fool's out here at car shows. Nah. Where's this fool at? I need to call this fool out because he's supposed to be wrapping my car right now, not be at car shows. Damn, this is clean right here. Shit. It's also nice right here. Toyota. All right. I see y'all. That sand color. Okay, on the G35. We got vendors over here selling agua frescas. Then the orange M3 though. Still not much crazy, but all the VIPs on that side over there apparently. We got a big drag wheel pack on the Supra over here. The Vets. I don't know how packed these things get, bro. It's like my second time coming in like a long time. So we'll see, but got the Supra with a drag pack. We saw it pull in earlier. Yeah, this one right here, this orange, beautiful on the F80. Too nice. Well, as you can see, people are still rolling in. Sylvia, got an Audi, carbon trunk. Okay. Nice. So look who pulled up. We got the big dog. HKS livery on the R34. Too clean. Another booper on the polished wheels. Okay. Yeah, as you guys can see, it's starting to pick up like crazy. They even got a whole second floor up there that's pretty much packed. But yeah, hella cars still pulling up. I believe we got Ray Corrupt. Yep, PQ Performance. Yeah, that frozen white is too clean. PQ Performance. Man, he deleted the bumper. Shit. Crazy guy. Yeah, that hood exit dump is crazy. Big single turbo. Yeah, race shit is crazy, bro. That turbo's still spinning. That's crazy, bro. That shit's still spinning. We got Cali Creamin', we got the big dogs in the house. They need a chill. The matching twins. What's up, big dog? Shit. The R8s. The R8s. Oh, I did this yeah, bro. This fucking big body. Yeah, I recorded this. I found this from the guy who's supposed to wrap my car. He's not at work. Fool's out here playing outside. It's almost about to end in like 20 minutes though. A lot of cars are starting to pull out. Oh. Okay. Sheesh. That hood exit. Yeah. It was all smiling and shit. You need to chill, bud. Another Supra headlight delete. This is nice too. It's starting to leave, but everyone is also dipping because it's about to end. But as you guys can see, all these cars are pulling out. The Bupras. A lot of cars outside. But yeah, bro. It was about to end. It is windy SF, and I decided to leave. It's time to go. I thought there was people running, but I don't know if it was people running or I'm just tripping. Yeah, time to get up out of here, bro. It's cold. It's windy too.
1 week later.
Oh shit, you know what time it is. Huh. You know what time it is. Cold start! Had to say it after. It is a little nippy, bro. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am still tired. I got home at 2 a.m. from SD last night, San Diego. And right now it is 6:54. Oh, I was supposed to meet up with the homie D at 6 in the morning, but I had to tell him I need more time. So he ended up meeting me at the meet that I am about to go to. Should be dope. I think it's the first one of the year at State of Speed. We've been there multiple times, but why not pull up one more time before the new change? And dude, why is my garage not closing? My garage doesn't want to close. Yeah, like I was saying, we're gonna go to a State of Speed meet, but before we make it out, your boy needs some gas, so that's what I am about to go do. I'm about to go fill up on some gas because I'm running a little bit low. Driving back from SD last night was not it. It was so hard for me to wake up this morning, but we made it, guys. We made it. We're alive. We made it back, and look at this. Beautiful morning, everybody. But we got the Bupa right here, looking beautiful as always. And take a good look at the Supra, guys, because she's not going to be looking like this for much longer. I'm telling you guys. She's going to go through a change very soon. I'm probably thinking like within the next week, possibly. No, next 2 weeks or 2 weeks and a half that it might be done. I'm very excited to see. I'm very excited for the new wrap, bro. And the new wheel color change. I think I'm going to surprise y'all, bro. I think y'all are going to like it. I just can't wait till it all starts happening. Like, my vision's really gonna start coming to fruition. I've told a couple of people, and the people that I've told are like, damn, I can see the vision and it would be sick to see it when it's done. I'm excited for y'all to see it when it's done. First E85 and then the second half gas. You guys know this, that E90 mix, man. I mean E50 mix. Need to get a flex fuel kit though, cause I still be guessing on how much I put. And I really need to get a flex fuel kit so I can know where I'm really at. 91. Yes, sir. Alright. No! I think I dropped it, guys. All my new shoes. Oh no. Alright, guys, so we have officially made it to State of Speed. And it's slowly picking up, bro. Look at what we have right here. Bayside Blue R34. So damn good. These are becoming like new normals now here in the States. It's insane. That yellow Porsche is beautiful. That yellow. Nice. Dang, look at the donk. The donk. This is tough. Shit. Damn, the WRX though. I wanted one of these back in the day. Yeah, the paint on this one is immaculate, bro. That red cherry to skunk cover. Sheesh. That's crazy because on this side of the road, you got like the old school Hondizis and all that. You got the Integras, all looking nice. And then on the row over there, they got all the new Honda FL5s. And we got the Corvette row over here. My fault, champs. This one's really nice. LS3 in there. Damn. Seeing all these vets make me want to get one now, dude. Everybody's been pulling up in a vet. Shit, man. Damn, the old school one. Shit, that's crazy. Just by looking at the rear ends of these, oh my gosh. Two R33s, R34. Yeah, these things are dummy nice. V-Spec on the SSRs looks so nice. I don't know why the R33s, I just like them. They just look so damn nice. Even though if it's more of a bigger body than like the R32s, they just look so nice. The Silvias over here. And I'm telling you guys, this whole row right here is basically all like the new Honda Civic Type Rs. It is crazy how many Hondas are out here. But the Type Rs, bro, I really like them. I like how they have like those red bucket seats as like stock options already. I wish the Supra came with like nice bucket seats like that. Gotta find the homie D. This dude's probably wandering around, yapping it up. Oh, speaking of the man and the devil, fuck. Damn, that black wing over there is nice. Shit, we see this guy everywhere. The SSRs, you feel me? There's that yellow Porsche though. Damn. Then we got the Sinister NSX. Crazy. And then this clean one right here. This crazy ass color. You guys know. Me and D are trying to figure out if this is a wrap or paint. But we don't know. Could be paint. A couple cars over here. Stage of Viper. Vendors. But nice little turnout. What do you think? It's paint or a wrap? It almost look like paint because even the headlights are like painted. I don't know. I think it might be paint. It might be paint. Beautiful paint if it is. This Stega, bro, with the twin turbos. Look at this. Damn, that thing is badass. 4-door GTR right here with the bright seats. And look at that shifter. I know the homie Big G likes that shifter. Even the wing. Look at this wing. It's crazy. Oh, almost broke my sled. The R34 though for me. That's just nice. Yeah, this view right here. Oh yeah. Was mine in the back? Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah, bah. Look at this M1 right here. This thing looks beautiful. Look, check this out. He got his stock wheels, made them into B-locks, and look at this paint, bro. This champagne quartz is just hit in. Look at the front end. Damn, this thing is aggressive as that, bro. It looks so damn sick. He got the F80 seats inside. Sheesh. Nah, bro, this car is too damn clean, bro. That paint is just hidden. Like, damn, look at the vet lineup. They need to chill. America. Alright, so me and D have officially left the meet. It was cool while it lasted, but we is on the way home now. I am tired, but I am hungry too, though. So I am trying to stay up, guys, because I am only off 3 hours of sleep, but we are good.